Hello students. Now in today's video we'll solve some examples from practice set 3.1. The first example in practice set 3.1 is like this. In the adjoining figure, the radius of a circle with center C is 6 centimeter. Okay? So radius is given. Radius of the circle is 6 centimeter. Line AB is a tangent at A. This line AB is tangent to the circle at point A. Then answer the following questions. तो हमें क्या करना है? कुछ नीचे 4 क्वेश्चंस गिवन है, उसके आंसर्स देना है. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज द मेजर ऑफ एंगल सी ए बी? एंगल सॉरी, सी इज द सेंटर, सी इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल, माय मिस्टेक. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द मेजर ऑफ एंगल सी ए बी? व्हाट इज इट्स मेजर एंड व्हाई? Okay, so yesterday we have studied the tangent theorem. If line AB is tangent to the circle at point A and CA is the radius through point of contact, this point A is called the point of contact. Okay, then that radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, and therefore angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. That is the answer for first question. Okay, now second, what is the distance of point C from line AB and why? Now here, if angle CAB is equal to 90 degree, then this CA is perpendicular to line AB. Okay, and that perpendicular distance is the least distance between the point and that line AB. Okay, and therefore the distance of point C from the line AB is 6 centimeter. That is the answer for second. Okay, now distance AB is equal to 6, then find distance BC. For third, if AB is equal to also 6, then we have to find BC. Now here, triangle CAB is right angle triangle because angle A is 90 degree. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem we can find that hypotenuse. Okay, and what is the measure of angle ABC? Angle ABC, that angle we have to find. So here, since in triangle ABC two sides are congruent, so that triangle is isosceles triangle. And in isosceles triangle, if two sides are congruent, then their opposite angles are congruent. Okay, so we consider each and measure of each angle is equal to x, and from that x we find the value for x, that is the required value for angle ABC. In this way we have to solve this example. समझ में आया तुम लोग को किस तरह से जो है ये examples को हमको क्या करना है, solve करना है. ठीक है, so we start solution like this. For first, number 1, draw segment CA. Draw segment CA. We draw segment CA. Therefore, angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. Reason is tangent theorem. Reason is tangent theorem. Yesterday we have studied. Okay, say this is equation number 1. Okay, now this is answer for first. Now for second, now segment CA is perpendicular to line AB, because from 1, in 1 we have shown that angle CAB is equal to 90 degree, and therefore segment CA is perpendicular to line AB, and therefore CA is equal to 6 centimeter. It is given, and therefore C is at a distance of 6 centimeter from line AB. That is the answer for second one. Okay, now third one, distance AB is equal to also 6 here. Okay, and therefore in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degree. It is given. Therefore, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Reason is by, yes, Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now BC we have to find is equal to AB is 6 square plus 6 square is equal to 6 square is 36 plus 36 is equal to 72. This is the value for BC square, and therefore BC is equal to square root of 72. To remove this square, we have to take square root on both sides. So here we write reason taking square root. taking square root, taking square root, and therefore that is equal to square root of, now 72 is not a perfect square, so we have to find the factors for 72 such that one factor should be a perfect square. So the factors for 72 will be 36, yes, 36 twos are 36 twos are, and square root of 36 is 6 root 2, and therefore BC is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter, and therefore distance of BC is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter. Okay, now this is the answer for third one. Now fourth one, number 4. What we have to find? What is the measure of angle ABC? We have to find the measure of angle ABC. So in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. This is given, and therefore angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. This is by isosceles triangle theorem. Isosceles triangle theorem. Okay, and therefore let angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to X. Say therefore angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree, and therefore X plus X plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. So you will get 2x is equal to this 180 degree, and this plus 90 degree becomes minus 90 degree on right hand side. So you will get 2x is equal to 180 minus 90, it is 90 degree, and therefore x is equal to, it is 90 upon 2, that is equal to 45 degrees, and therefore angle ABC, not BAC, it is ABC is equal to 45 degrees. So in this way we have to solve this example. Yes, any doubt in this? Okay. Now the next example from practice set 3.1 is, in the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle. From the point R, segment RM and RN are the tangent segment. Here O is the center of the circle, and this RM and RN are the two tangents drawn from an external point R to the circle. Okay, touching the circle at point M and N. If OR is equal to 10, OR is given, OR is equal to 10, and the radius of the circle is 5. Radius of the circle is 5 centimeter. Then what is the length of each tangent? We have to find the length of each tangent segment. Second, what is the measure of angle MRO? MRO, that measure of this angle we have to find. Okay, and third one, what is the measure of angle MRN? MRN, that means this whole angle we have to find. ओके तो ये इस सबसे एग्जांपल दिया आपने को, देखो क्या दिया है, ओ सर्कल का सेंटर है, एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट में एक आर है, उससे हमने क्या किया, टेंजेंट सेगमेंट ड्रॉ किए। ओ आर का लेंथ 10 गिवन है, रेडियस उसका 5 गिवन है। तो फर्स्ट अपने को फाइंड करना है लेंथ ऑफ ईच टेंजेंट सेगमेंट। जो टेंजेंट सेगमेंट हमने ड्रॉ किए उसका लेंथ पहले फाइंड करना है, उसके बाद में एंगल एम आर ओ ये एक फाइंड करना है एंगल, और थर्ड वन एम आर एन ये एंगल का मेजर फाइंड करना है। ठीक है, तो कैसा करेंगे हम लोग, तो सिंस आर एम पहले ओरली देखो, उसके बाद में मैं तुमको देता हूं यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन कैसे करना है। सो हियर आर एम इज द रेडियस, आर एम इज द टेंजेंट टू द सर्कल एंड दिस ओ एम इज द रेडियस थ्रू point of contact, therefore angle OMR is equal to 90 degree by tangent theorem, right? So this triangle is right angle triangle. Apply Pythagoras theorem and find RM. Pythagoras theorem का use करके क्या find करेंगे, RM find करेंगे। Similarly angle ONR is equal to also 90 degree, है ना? So consider two right angle triangles OMR and triangle ONR. Okay, in both the triangles this OR is congruent to OR, okay, common side, and this OM is congruent to ON, Okay, OM is congruent to ON. Radii are the same circle, and therefore those two triangles OMR and triangle ONR, both triangles are congruent. And when two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles are congruent. Okay, and therefore angle MRO is congruent to angle ORN. Okay, those two angles are congruent angles. Say this is equation, whatever equation will come. Okay, now we have studied the 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem. The 30, 60, 90 triangle theorem is the opposite side of 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse, and the converse of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle theorem is in a triangle, if one length of one side is half of the other side, then the angle opposite to first side is 30 degree. Now here length of OM is 5 and OR is 10, which is half. Okay, this OM is half of this OR. So length angle of measure of angle of this opposite angle of OM is 30 degree. So this measure is 30 degree. Similarly, this lower angle is also 30 degree. Okay, because those two angles are congruent angles, and measure of angle MRN is 30 plus 30, that is 60 degree. So in this way we have to solve this example. Okay, just see how to solve this solution. अब यहाँ पे मैं तुमको ओरली ऐसा क्यों बता रहा हूँ? ओरली क्योंकि जब भी तुम स्टडी करेंगे, है ना, तो ये एग्जांपल्स को क्या करना है, तुमको सॉल्यूशन को समझना है पहले कि हमको क्या स्टेप से जाना है, समझ में ना, और उसको उस टाइप से उसको क्या करना है, तुमको याद रखना है. अगर उस टाइप से तुम लोग याद रखेंगे तो तुम सॉल्यूशन स्टेप्स आगे पीछे हो सकते हैं, स्टेप्स आगे पीछे प्लस माइनस हो सकता है ना, लेकिन सॉल्यूशन में आपने को जाना कैसे है, समझ में ना. इसके लिए मैंने तुमको उसका एक वे बताया. अब उसको रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करना है वो अभी हम लोग देखेंगे. तो वी स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. ड्रॉ सेगमेंट OM एंड ON. ड्रॉ सेगमेंट OM and ON, because OM and ON is not given there. Okay, now solution for first, number 1. In triangle OMR, okay, angle OMR is equal to 90 degree. Reason is by tangent theorem. Okay, therefore OR square is equal to OM square plus MR square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now put the values. Is equal to OM, which is 5 given, so 5 square plus OR is given, that is 10 square plus MR square we have to find. Okay, now 10 square is 100 is equal to 5 square is 25 plus MR square. So this 100, this plus 25 becomes minus 25. It is minus 25 is equal to MR square, and therefore MR square is equal to how much it is? 75. Okay, and therefore MR is equal to square root of 75. Reason is taking square root. To remove square we take square root. Okay, and that is equal to, now this 75 is not a perfect square, so we find the factors for 75 so that one factor should be a perfect square. So factors for 75 will be 25 3s are. Okay, now square root of 25 is 5 root 3. This is the value for MR, and therefore MR is equal to NR is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. Reason is by tangent segment theorem. By tangent segment theorem. Yes, any doubt in this? Yes? No? Okay. Now this is the solution for first. Find the length of each tangent segment. So length of each tangent segment, and therefore the length of Therefore, the length of each tangent segment is 5 root 3 centimeter. Okay. Now solution for second. In triangle RMO, angle OMR is equal to 90 degree by tangent theorem, right? By tangent theorem. Now OM is given. OM is equal to 5 centimeter and this OR is equal to 10 centimeter, right? And therefore we can write OM is equal to half of OR. Okay. And therefore angle MRO is equal to 30 degree. Reason is by converse of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem. Okay, so that angle MRO is equal to 90 degree, 30 degree. Similarly, same situation is there in triangle ONR, and therefore angle NRO is equal to also 30 degree. Similarly, we can find it is 30 degree. Okay, so this is the solution for second one. Now third, we have to find angle MRN. So angle MRN is equal to angle MRO plus angle NRO by angle addition property. By angle addition property. Yes, any doubt in this? That is equal to, it is 30 degree plus 30 degree, that is equal to 60 degree, and therefore angle MRN is equal to 60 degree. So in this way we have to solve this second example from practice set 3.1. Now the next example from practice set 3.1 is segment RM and segment RN are the tangent segment of a circle with center O. Here O is the center of the circle, and this RM and RN are the two tangent segments drawn from the point R to the circle. Then we have to prove that segment OR bisects angle MRN as well as angle MON. MRN and MON, for both the angles this segment OR bisects. That we have to prove. Okay, so कैसे प्रूव करेंगे इसको? अभी क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया तुम्हारे? यस, यहाँ पे एक और जो है वो सर्कल का सेंटर गिवन है, एक्सटीरियर में पॉइंट आर है, आर एम एंड आर एन आर दी टेंजेंट सेगमेंट्स है, ठीक है। और हमको प्रूव करना है कि सेगमेंट ओ आर इज द बाइसेक्टर, एंगल बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल एम आर एन एंड एम ओ एन। ये दोनों एंगल्स की वो क्या है? एंगल बाइसेक्टर है। एंगल बाइसेक्टर मींस वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट दिस एंगल, मेजर ऑफ दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस वन एंड मेजर ऑफ दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस वन। इतना हमको क्या करना है? वहां पर प्रूव करना होगा, ठीक है। अब वो कैसा प्रूव करेंगे? सो हियर आर एम इज द tangent and OM is the radius through point of contact. So by tangent theorem, angle OMR, this angle is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, angle ONR is equal to also 90 degree by tangent theorem. Okay. Now consider both right angle triangles. So in right angle triangle, segment OR is congruent to segment OR. Why? Because that is the common side. Okay. And segment OM is congruent to segment ON. Radii of the same circle. Radii, that is the plural of radius. Okay, and therefore this side OR is nothing but the hypotenuse, because this is right angle and opposite side of this right angle is called the hypotenuse. So here hypotenuse is congruent and one side is congruent, and therefore by hypotenuse side theorem those two triangles are congruent. And when two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles are congruent. Okay, in this way we can prove angle MRO is equal to angle NRO. Similarly, angle MOR is equal to angle NOR, corresponding angles of congruent triangle. And therefore we say that this OR bisects angle MRN and angle MON. समझ में आ गया? तो ये हिसाब से हमको क्या करना है, इसका प्रूफ रिप्रेजेंट करना है. ठीक है. नाउ वी स्टार्ट द प्रूफ. इन ट्राइंगल OMR and triangle ONR, angle OMR is equal to angle ONR is equal to 90 degree. Reason is by tangent theorem. By tangent theorem. Okay. After that, segment OR is congruent to segment OR is congruent to segment OR. Reason is common side. Okay. After that, segment OM is congruent to segment ON. Segment OM is congruent to segment OM. Reason is radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Okay. And therefore triangle OMR is congruent to triangle ONR. Reason is by hypotenuse side theorem. Okay. In right angle triangle, special property is this hypotenuse side theorem or hypotenuse side test. Okay. And therefore angle MRO is congruent to angle NRO, and angle MOR is congruent to angle NOR. For both, the reason is corresponding angle of congruent triangles. Okay. And therefore segment OR bisects angle MRN and angle MON. In this way we can prove this example. Yes, any doubt in this example? So in this way, these three examples are important example from practice set 3.1. So you just practice these three examples, very important example, and that tangent segment theorem is very important. Okay.